Hello guys, we are trading gold against dollar and we're in a massive profit. We're making big profit. You want to be profitable in trade? Join this Telegram channel with the link I dropped on my comment section. You want me to actually manage your account into massive profit? Now is the time for you to actually click on the comment section. You see my direct message link. Click on it and join our direct message link. For more details, message me. I'll be giving you every details you need to know about this particular trade. All right. So this is actually good against USD, and we are actually buying the market, and is actually giving us massively profits. I actually manage accounts in case you are actually interested. I will be managing your account into massive profit. This is where you actually come in, with your equity. I know you've been losing with your small equity, big equity, you've been losing a lot of money. What if I told you we can actually regain back all those loss in your trade? What if I told you all those loss can actually be brought back into life? What if I told you you have the 100% chance to become a successful trader in the market again? What if I told you I can actually lecture you and teach you why making some money for you to be a profitable trader, and I can actually guide you and teach you how to become one? What if I told you all of that? Would you still be interested? Well, if you're actually interested, point it to my DM. I'll be dropping the DM in my comment section and also in my description. So if you are not busy right now watching this video, point it to my DM for an account management. I'm going to raise your account into massive profit, and I will going to make it very good. For those of you guys that have been busy with work, maybe you have some daily work, because forex trading is a way, is a place that you actually participate all your time in. Maybe you've been busy working, all right, but you don't have time to actually trade, or whatever. Whenever you actually want to trade, you end up losing or blowing all your equity account. This is your chance to actually be a profitable trader without even going into the market. So just point to my DM. I'll be dropping my links on my comment sections or on my description, so you can actually find the links there. And also, I'll be giving you guys a free Telegram channel where you can actually participate in. Uh, I'll be dropping free Telegram signal in forex trading. I'll be dropping free Telegram signal in forex trading, and also we'll be dropping a gold against USD, and we are going to be dropping also volatility 75 index. In case you actually trade in these two, now is your chance. This is actually an opportunity for you to actually participate in something good for yourself and make some money, instead of blowing all your equity account, losing all sort of money that you've not really, you want to get more, you keep on losing everything you got, or your financially, your bills to be paid, or your credit card is not really taking all the money you've got, is not really going far enough. You want to grow your account, but you keep on blowing the little ones that you had, that you can actually take care of the little stuff in the house, but you still keep on blowing everything in forex trading. Now I'm going to be offering you this particular opportunity for you to actually be in participate in a nice and a good profitable trading, where you can actually be a profitable market trader. All right. So if you're actually in for an account management, punch into my DM right now. Please don't forget to actually come with your equity. A lot of people come into my DM be asking me questions like, "Oh, how do you trade? Are you a profitable trader? How do you actually trade? Or teach me how you trade." I am in for account management, but I don't know if you are good. Well, if I'm not good enough, you won't have locate or find yourself in my DM. So if you are coming to my DM, just go straight to the point. I have many messages I'm actually replying. So go straight to the point. I have an account of this amount of equity in it. How much are you going to be making a day? Then I will tell you how it works. I will give you every details of my capitals, how all my works are being worked out. All right, so don't forget to actually like this comment, like this particular video, comment what you actually think about this particular video, and don't forget to follow for more, and share this video to as many as you can. All right, share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to comment what you actually think about the video. Turn on the notification button so you can actually be getting more details of this particular video when I comes to actually tell you more about this video. All right, so you guys are actually amazing for watching to this particular extent, but I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit advice if you're actually going to be a profitable trader. Just please make sure you use also, or make sure you always use a stop loss and take profit. It's very important in the market when it comes to forex trading. You need your stop loss and take profit. If you're not applying all these in your market, believe me, no matter how big your equity is, no matter how profitable you think you could actually get in the market, you will still end up blowing your account into dust. All right, you still end up blowing your account into dust, and you still end up losing all the money you've actually made from the market, and also your equity. So learn how to put your stop loss, take profit, and you are good to go as a beginner in forex trading. And also, forex trading requires more time. All right, more time and more dedication. If you're actually a worker, you work in factory, you work as a banker, or you work as all these kind of works, I think you need to quit your job if you want to be a profitable trader in the market. Or else you're not going to be a profitable trader, or you end up blowing your capitals, or you end up blowing your salary. So if you want to be a profitable trader but why still working, well, you need me in your life. You need me to actually manage your account into massive profit. I've actually made a lot of profit. So if you're actually coming into my Telegram and you require for some proof, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of proof that you need to see when I'm trading my personal or account management, somebody's company's account, and you need to see all these videos or more. You can actually go down to my previous videos where you can actually find a lot of video that could be helpful. And I said I teaches a lot of things in YouTube, so if you are going back to my YouTube videos, you're going to find it interesting watching. So like, comment, and don't forget to share this video. I'll see you guys in my DM for money making. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like and comment and share this video to as many as you can. Have a good and a nice day.